To program the scene switch, do the same thing. Go to the scene switch menu, press select. Here we have two configurations. You can do the toggle and you can do the non-toggle. Non-toggle meaning that when you press on the button, it will activate the scene, and it activates the scene only. The toggle meaning that when you press the first time, it will turn on, and the second time it will turn off, so on and so forth. So in normal use, we will use the one without toggle. So always activate scene. Let's do that. And then go to your switch, press the reset pin. It will show up. And then here you can select which button you want to program what scene. So first one, the all scene is the one we set up earlier. So I'm going to do that with the first button. And then let's do RGB. And then let's do lighting. And the last one, I actually created a all off scene. So when this is pressed, then all the lights will turn on. So go program, confirm, and that's it. So right now it's hard to see, but this is the off scene button. So the configuration on the EU is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth one is all off. So when I press, everything goes off. And the all button activate one of each type. So one of each type. And the second one is the RGB. So RGB with the scene, and everything else is off. And the third button is lighting. When you press lighting, only tunable and the normal lighting is on, everything else is off. And finally, this is the off button. So they're all off. That's it.